Have you ever bought a blender that looked great online, only to discover it struggles with frozen fruit, leaves chunks in your smoothie, or takes forever to clean? Then stick around. Today we're counting down the top 5 best smoothie blenders, from affordable everyday options to powerful smoothie machines that can crush ice, frozen fruit, and protein shakes with ease. And don't miss our number 1 pick because it offers something many expensive blenders don't, a great balance of power, simplicity, and value. Before we get started, check the links in the description below for today's prices and more details. And if you enjoy honest product reviews like this one, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our latest buying guides. Now let's start the countdown. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smoothie blender that still delivers solid performance, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite is worth considering. With 700 watts of peak power and stainless steel ice saber blades, this blender handles smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and crushed ice surprisingly well for its price range. One feature users love is Hamilton Beach's patented wave action system. Instead of ingredients getting stuck near the top, the design continuously pushes food back into the blades for smoother blending. The 40-ounce glass jar is another nice bonus. Many affordable blenders use lightweight plastic containers, but this one gives you a sturdy glass jar that's dishwasher safe. You also get 12 blending functions, making it versatile enough for purees, milkshakes, sauces, and more. If you're shopping on a budget but still want reliable smoothie performance, this is a strong entry-level option. But our next blender is even more compact and perfect for small kitchens. Number 4. NutriBullet Blender. The NutriBullet is one of the most recognizable personal blenders ever made. Its biggest advantage is simplicity. Add your ingredients, twist on the blade, place it on the base, and blend. That's it. The compact design takes up very little counter space, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, or anyone who wants quick smoothies without dealing with a large machine. Despite its small size, the NutriBullet can blend smoothies, sauces, dips, milkshakes, and basic meal prep ingredients with ease. The included cups and travel accessories also make it convenient for people who are always on the go. Cleaning is quick too. Most components can go directly into the dishwasher. While the 250-watt motor isn't designed for heavy-duty blending every day, it's a fantastic choice for simple smoothies and quick drinks. And coming up next, we have a blender that significantly increases blending power while still keeping that portable personal blender design. Number 3. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. The Ninja Fit has become one of the most popular personal blenders for good reason. Unlike many small blenders, this one packs a powerful 700-watt motor that can handle frozen fruit, ice, and tougher ingredients much more effectively. One standout feature is Ninja's nutrient extraction capability. It helps break down fruits and vegetables into smoother drinks, making it easier to enjoy nutrient-rich smoothies without unwanted chunks. The blender comes with two 16-ounce cups and spout lids, allowing you to blend and go without transferring your drink into another container. That's a huge time saver during busy mornings. The compact footprint also means it fits comfortably on almost any countertop. If you're focused on smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks without needing a full-size blender, the Ninja Fit delivers excellent performance for the money. But our top 2 picks take blending power and versatility to another level. Number 2. Ninja Kitchen System BL770. If you're looking for more than just a smoothie blender, the Ninja Kitchen System BL770 is a complete kitchen powerhouse. This machine combines a full-size blender, food processor, smoothie maker, dough mixer, and personal blender into one system. The massive 1,500-watt motor gives it serious blending capability. Frozen fruit? No problem. Ice? No problem. Tough ingredients? It powers through them with ease. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for families, meal prep, or entertaining guests. You also get an 8-cup food processor bowl that can chop vegetables, prepare salsa, make purees, and even mix dough. For smoothie lovers, Ninja includes 2 personal blending cups with to-go lids so you can make individual drinks quickly. If you want one appliance that can replace multiple kitchen tools, the BL770 offers incredible versatility. However, our number 1 pick wins because it combines everyday convenience, excellent smoothie performance, portability, and outstanding value. Number 1. NutriBullet Personal Blender. Taking the top spot is the NutriBullet Personal Blender. For many people, this is the blender that made healthy smoothies simple and accessible. Powered by a 600-watt motor, the NutriBullet blends fruits, vegetables, protein powders, and frozen ingredients into smooth, drinkable nutrition in seconds. Its biggest strength is ease of use. Just load your ingredients, push, twist, and blend. No complicated controls. No confusing settings. No learning curve. The included 24-ounce cup doubles as your drinking container, reducing cleanup and saving time every day. Speaking of cleanup, the removable blade and dishwasher safe cup make maintenance incredibly easy. The NutriBullet also hits a sweet spot between affordability, performance, portability, and convenience. For most people looking for the best smoothie blender, it's the option that delivers the best overall experience without requiring a premium price tag. And that's why it earns our #1 recommendation. Final verdict. If you're shopping on a budget, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite offers excellent value. Need something ultra-compact? The Magic Bullet remains a popular choice. Want stronger blending power in a personal blender? The Ninja Fit is hard to beat. Need a complete kitchen system? The Ninja BL770 is incredibly versatile. But for the best overall balance of smoothie-making performance, convenience, portability, and value, the NutriBullet Personal Blender takes the crown. If you'd like to check current prices or learn more about any of these smoothie blenders, you'll find all the links in the description below. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.